Made it out alive. This pivot is only 3 towers long, and it's broken at the very first tower. I don't know why, or it's very frustrating, because the tower that the gearbox is bad on, that's that thing that moves the tire, is probably the gearbox that moves the least on the farm. It doesn't even make a complete circle, and it's the one that's closest to the center. So it has the least distance to travel. I mean, what in the world? But anyways, it makes it a little bit easier for us to fix because you don't have to walk quite as far into the corn. It's never a good day when you need to get the high lift jack out. It's just like a bad sign.
Made it. So what happened here is this gearbox locked up. So this tire quit moving. The motor keeps spinning and it kicked the shaft off, which is right here. And this shaft stayed on and it dug this tire in and also twisted this shaft. Total carnage. We have to fix it all so we can keep water out here. Oh, it broke the board in half. Oh yeah, look at this. That's not supposed to work like that.
Oh my goodness. Right there. This is supposed to be there. And it went flying way over there. So we are going to replace that knuckle with this. There we go.
That might work.
Ha! Oh my goodness.
Finally.
Got that off because that piece did not fit even close, which means we have the joy of putting this on. I'm so grateful. That was a lot of pounding. Holy cow. Check that out. Brand new gearbox, brand new knuckle, new drive shaft. New drive shaft, now cut to size, and a new knuckle. Project is complete.